One strategy that helps students when adding is breaking apart by place value. You can do this in two different ways. You can break apart both numbers, or you can break apart one number. We'll start by breaking apart both numbers. On the homework, you will see that the homework will be written like this, vertically. 124 plus 396 is our first example. What we're going to do is we're going to be adding first the hundreds, then the tens, and then the ones. Sometimes students find it helpful to write the HTO off to the side to remind themselves of the order to add. So I'm going to start with the hundreds. I see that I have 100 plus 300, so I'm going to then write directly below, lining up my ones, tens, and hundreds, that 100 plus 300 is 400. I am done with the hundreds. I'm next going to go to the tens. 2 tens plus 9 tens is 11 tens, which is 110. So I will then add that underneath the hundreds, cross off my tens. Lastly, I will do the ones. I have 4 ones plus 6 ones, which equals 10. So again, I will line that up under the hundreds, tens, and ones, cross off my L. All I have to do then is put my addition symbol, draw my line. I'm going to see that I have, starting in the ones column, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. I then have in the tens column 0 plus 1 plus 1 is 2 tens. And then in the hundreds column 4 plus 1 is 5. And I have 520 as my answer, and I will circle it. Another method that you can do in breaking apart is breaking apart by adding one number. So if that same equation is written like this, again, oops, let me erase that. 124 plus 396. Some students might find that it's helpful to add by breaking apart just one number. So I'm going to choose which number that will be. I'm going to keep the 396 because it makes more sense to add less numbers. So if I keep the 396, I'm then going to break apart the 124 by hundreds, tens, and ones. So I will first add the 100 to get 496. And then I will take that 496 and now add the tens, which is 20. 496 plus 20 is 516. And lastly, I will add the ones, 516 plus 4, which gets me to 520. These are two methods we can use in breaking apart by place value, and we encourage students to use their best strategy, the one that works best for the problem. Hope this helps.